Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Follow me on another adventure. This is Absolute Travel Adventure, bringing you greetings from Antalya in Turkey. This afternoon, time is 6 p.m. So I guess it's this evening. Making my way straight down to the beach. Few beaches here in Antalya, but the one that's closest to me, it's Lara Beach. Lara, Lara Beach. And I've also been informed that there's a waterfall close by. So yeah, let's do this walk together. Cool evening. Today is the 11th of May 2024. Temperature beside the sea is fantastic. It's a nice sunny 21 degrees. Beautiful walking park here. So if you bring your running shoes, your walking shoes, hiking shoes, you would have a good time here. So we left the busy town center behind us and we're heading to the beach. There's water everywhere on that side, all the way to the beach, and accommodation, hotels on the other side of the road. Okay. If you haven't considered coming to Turkey, I suggest you do. The weather is lovely around this time of the year. The people are fantastic. Prices are reasonable. And yes, it's from London, it's about 4 hours flight. But the temperature is completely different around this time of the year. I heard it does get very hot. Yesterday, the 10th of May, temperature turned up, was about 30 degrees at one point in the afternoon. Today is a touch warmer. I think the maximum temperature today was around 27. But right now, it's 21, 22 and sunny. Been nice to have a flat and apartment facing the sea. There's quite a few of them in Antalya. It's almost as if the high rises are not within the city center itself. They all seem to be facing the water. Okay. Like I said, they have this part whereby you could then walk and jog, and the blue one just nearby before the road is for motorbikes and cycles. So call it cycle or bike lane. Just as we speak, here comes a cyclist just doing just that, and there goes a motorbike doing just that. So yeah, the blue lane, I will call it, is for stuff that are on two wheels. Okay. And of course, those rides. Lovely restaurant here. Okay, it looks like the running lane has stopped to run here. So we are sharing this lane with the cyclists and the bikes. It's all good. So many restaurants around this neighborhood. Yeah, loads of restaurants, places to eat on this side of the road. Today is a Saturday, so I guess it's time for some leisure time, some downtime, me time. Can't see the beach just yet. But, I'm seeing more and more people and more restaurants. So I guess we are closer than we were before. If that's the beach all the way over there, it's quite a stretch, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna do this together. It's like a good time for a picnic. Or just to sit down and chill with friends. Activities for the younger people. So I guess, and this is an assumption, so forgive me. Areas where they can't have sand, they have grass. So you have the water and then you have grass, and at least you could relax on the grass. Or get yourself a coffee or tea or something. Or go to the restaurant and grab a bite. You really have to be an expert food blogger to actually know which restaurant to go to. Or how many restaurants would you visit during a visit. I'm doing a short trip, a short stay in Antalya. There are so many. So many. How they don't run out of names is beyond me. Arabic coffee house, Flamingo Lara. I mean, it's just one name after the other. Brew Mood, coffee and tea. Okay. Well, I better get one, maybe get one restaurant myself and call it Absolute Travel Adventure. Just joking. Hey, but never say never. The airport is not far away. By far away, I mean it's about 20 minutes drive, leisure drive to the airport. And all the restaurants seem to have people eating, dining, and chilling inside. It's great. Great vibes. It's an absolutely beautiful garden. Very nice indeed. I go this way. Okay. Now, what can I tell you about this waterfall? What can I say? Absolutely nothing. It's just magnificent. Just feast your eyes. The water is coming from somewhere, it seems, within the rock itself. Absolutely beautiful and magical. Wow. That is awesome. That is just awesome. Okay. Right, what I'm trying to get, guys, is the source. Oh, wow. Okay, now. Okay, you have to see these things, and there you go. Once again, you're tuned to Absolute Travel Adventures. I'm bringing you greetings from Lara, Antalya in Turkey. And to add more flavor to it, there's a rainbow, guys. Can you see it on the water? Wow. It's a rainbow right there. No words. Just can't find the words. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And yet this amount of water is flowing down into the sea. So the question almost is, how a water that looks so peaceful here continues to flow day in, day out, and yet within a few inches we're on dry ground. Okay. Please comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you see this. If you have places that you have to visit and things you have to see while you're here, this is one of them. I've been in Turkey for 48 hours. And how come I just realized I haven't had an ice cream? Or should I say, I haven't had a gelato. Wow. Okay. I haven't had a gelato. So, when it comes to things that you should do while you're here, don't forget to have a gelato. It's so cool and peaceful here. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.